Hi, I'm attorney Mike Shivick. We're back here today on the Consumer Law blog talking about insurance companies and settlement practices. Just briefly, I'm sure we've all seen the commercial on television, in particular that one with mayhem running amok and personifying all the terrible things that could happen to you, why you need to have insurance coverage aside from the obvious reasons. And what they really went on that one, that commercial, to go out of their way to make sure that people saw all the outlandish things that could happen. But what happens on the other side when mayhem takes on a different face and the insurance company fails to give you what you're entitled to under the contract? In Massachusetts, we have Mass General Law, Chapter 176D. Section 3 illustrates the unfair and deceptive practices and unfair methods of competition that some companies may engage in, but are illegal and are prohibited from engaging in. In particular, failure to settle claims that have become reasonably clear in terms of liability. One of the number one culprits that the insurance companies will tend to bring out will be the unauthorized driver of a vehicle. I had one client that came in, all identifying information aside, had a nice car parked on the curb inside of his girlfriend's house. Somebody came by and whacked it. The insurance company within one day denied liability by letter and told him that the driver of that car, even though it was his girlfriend's car, was an unauthorized occupant, an authorized driver, and therefore, despite there being no criminal charges or anything else indicating that, had said that he was not able to be driving the car, therefore liability under the owner, the girlfriend's policy, was denied. Now, reasonably speaking, it's clear that that guy had the authority to be driving that car based on all the attendant circumstances, and the quickness with which the company denied liability was quite indicative of their intent. If you've suffered some kind of a loss in Mass and are being denied what you're supposed to be getting under your contract for insurance in Massachusetts, log on to shivicklaw.com. We'll review things. Let me take a look at the paperwork. Let me see what the documentation is. And if you're getting kind of the mayhem, if you will, from the other side, feel free to log on, contact me, send me your name and info. I look forward to protecting your consumer rights and making sure that your rights are being protected under Massachusetts law.